All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Shirogorov F95R19 Slim here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. So let's check this guy out real quick. This is a titanium frame lock from Shirogorov, made in Russia. The listing price is going to be around $1,100. This is a rare edition because yeah, it's an F95, yeah, it's an R19 special edition, but also look at that, it's a slim, and that's very unusual configuration for this model right over here. It is just stunning. I love the slim in the F95 Slim, and the fact that this is the R19 version slim, it's just gorgeous. Look at this pattern over here, nice milling going on. This is the outline of the inlay that usually you find on the F95 NL, and you got classic Shirogorov F95 construction, so two slabs of titanium internally milled to save up on weight. Standoff with blue anodization right in the center, one screw for the body and one screw for the pivot, and that's about it. You got a tip-up carry only titanium pocket clip, not reversible. You have the screw which is on the outside, not on the inside, and you got stainless steel lock face insert right over here, and you look at that. Polished flats and stone washed primary bevel for this M390 drop point awesome blade. Pretty cool jimping also going on right over here, nice and effective. Not much of a swedge, just stops right over here, but then you got this pretty cool finish. Very nice stonewash finish for this guy over here. Of course, multi-row ball bearing system for this pivot to just showcase like a buttery smooth action, which can also be like that. You see, like, can be fast or can be slow. It just depends on your taste. So it's really gorgeous one. Let's quickly check the size for this fella. It has almost 4-inch long blade and 5-inch long handle, which is gonna add up almost to 9-inch for the overall length, like I'd say 8.75 overall. And let's quickly check the weight without tearing down my setup. Let's see, the internal milling it's gonna add to the weight reduction. Look at that, let's just do it nicely. Okay, so that's gonna be 4.48 ounces, and if we check the stock thickness, you're gonna see that's 1.335, and let's see the thinness behind the edge of this fella. It's pretty good, like, where is it? Over here. Look at that, 0.010. It's a slicer for sure, guys. Great action. It's a nice titanium frame lock. Also, like, pretty cool limited edition. I mean, not limited, but rare edition for this F95 classic Shiro. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.